Hi everyone, this is Chandan. Today we are going to learn about operators in Python. So let's understand that arithmetic operators. Basically, it is used for mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, remainder, and multiplication, which is a cover. Okay, so first one, so give that point value in non-floating. Okay, so first run that code. So here you can see it's returning 15. I defined A equal to 10 and B equal to 5, storing into result A plus B. Okay, when we subtracting A minus B, then it will return 5. Okay, and when we multiply, so 10 into 15 equal to 50. Okay, and when we divide 2.5, because it's give that floating value, when we floor value, it's give the floor value and it give that reminder. So there is, suppose there is 13. So here is 3 reminders. Okay. And suppose that's to perform that power operations. So it's a exponential of that numbers. So A into V, raise the first operand to the power of the second one. Okay. So this is all about arithmetic operations. Let's move to comparison operators. So in the comparison operators, sure, A equal to B, and suppose copy that statement. Okay, so it returns true or false if it is equal. So we are comparing that it is equal or not. So if it is equal, then it's return false because this is not equal. When we put that 10, so both are equal. So here you can see it is true. It is printing your one. Let's comment down. And when we check that not equal to, it's return false. And when we put not equal to, because 10 and 12 is not equal to, check that greater than, so it will return true because it is 12 is greater than 10, less than, returns false because, and 15. Okay, so it is less than, A is less than B, and to where, so it will have great and less than, equal to, if that number should be equal or less than, A should be less than or equal to. And if I put some that true, okay, because A is less than, if we provide 13, it should false. And for that, it will be true. Here you can see it's returning false. Let's comment that. Okay, let's understand that logical operators in Python. So basically it is used for conditional statements and or not. So and check both conditions, left and right side, or check first one. If that is false, then it's checking second condition, and it is reverse that condition. If that is true, that will become false, and false will become true, like that. So let's play with that. So here 10, A is 10 and B is 50, and 10, B should be greater than 10. B should be less than 10. So here it is its condition is false, and A is greater than 5. So first condition is true, but second condition is false. That's why it's returning false. So when suppose if we put that 9, and it should return true. Okay, so like that. And if we want to check that or condition here, so it will check first condition if it's become true, or suppose we put 9 or 15, so B should be less than 10, so it is false, but it will return true because first condition is true. And when both 5, so it will become false. Okay, and then we can give that 9, so that second condition should be true, so it will become true. Okay, let's see the assignment operators. So assignment operator is basically used for a simple assignment or addition, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, double floor assignment, and remainder assignment and multiplication. We will see all the by playing with that. So suppose we normally assign that result. So suppose here C and print C. Here you can see 20, and when we plus that 20, so previously it was 20 and 8 plus equal to 5, so it will add 20 plus 5 is 25. Here you can see, and when we subtract that, then it minus that 20 minus 5 is 15, and then we can multiply. Suppose we put 2 multiply, so it should become 40. Okay, and then we can also put under like let's say 10, so 10.5. Okay, and then we can see that here you can see, so it's returning that floor values, and when we put that reminder operators, then it's assign that reminder. So there is reminder 1, so it's printing that reminder 1. Now let's see the exponential value of that 21. It is a 441. Okay, so this is all about assignment operators. Let's see the bitwise operators. So command the pound Okay, so here you can see we represent a binary like that, and binary, it's a binary of 3 becomes like that. When we perform that A and B, which is AND operators, as a bitwise AND operators it goes. So when we print that AND operator, so it will return that 1. And when we perform that OR operators, so this is our OR operators. And when we perform XOR, which is a XOR, and this is all bitwise operators, and it's not bitwise not. So actually it's invert that bits. So suppose here we just need to put that -6. Here you can see, because it's invert that. And there is a left shift and a right shift operators. So we want to shift to one bit left side. So then the result should be 10. And 10 binary number is 1010 10. And when we shift that right side, one operators of, so it will becomes like 0010, because it will become 2, and we shift that operators. So here you can see it is a 2. Let's see the identity operators in Python. So identity operators are used to check if two variables point to the same object or not. So basically, and it's check that. Let's print that, comment that print statements and check that. Print result. Again. So it is when I store one list in X and assign in X no Y, and checking X is Y because both are the same. That's why it's returning true, and is not. It's returning false. And if we define some variable z equal to 1 to us, because both variable has different value but different object. So that's why it's turning true, and when we check with the is, it's turned false. Yes, so is and is not is the identity operators. Let's see the membership operators. So membership operator is in and not in. So let's check with the example. So my first one I need to comment down. So last one on print. So here you can see 3 in my list. It's checking 3 in my list. So that's why it's true. if we put 10 in my list, then it should return false. Okay. And when we put not in, so it should return true because it is not in my list. And when we put 1, then it's return false. But when it's become true. Okay. So that's all about the operators in Python. Thank you for watching.